Hello everyone, how are you today? So today I'm gonna be working on how to convert MKV video file to MP4. So I'm gonna be using a different software or a different app in my conversion. Previous videos you would notice that I did use the VLC app to make some conversions. So here I'm using a different app to convert. That's to let you know that you can also use different apps to do your conversion. So here I'll be using the popular OBS app for my conversion. Alright, so before I go to the OBS app, look here. I want to convert this particular video, so just pointing at it, the one with the today and that date there, you would see that it's an MKV video file. So if I right click on that and go to properties, look here, type of file, you will see MKV video file. So alright, so that is it. So but before I go ahead, why would you want to convert your MKV file to MP4? So there are several reasons for that. I'll just point at few of them. One is that it is easy to stream, and especially if you're creating video for YouTube, then you have to convert your videos to MP4 file format. The other one is that the MP4 file format is supported by many devices and websites. It is easy to stream and relatively small file size with good quality footage. So those are some reasons why people or you would want to convert your MKV video file to MP4. So let's go to the OBS. So this is my OBS for those who are used to who are familiar with OBS. So over here I will go straight to where I have my file button. Click on that. Look here where I have the remux recordings. So I'll click on the remux recordings. So it brings out the remux recording dialog box. So at this point, the ellipsis, I'll click on that. So a dialog box comes out. This is to allow me choose the particular MKV video file that I want to convert to MP4. So remember, this was the file that I wanted to convert with the title today, and just pointing at it, you will also notice that the item type there is MKV. So I'll choose on that and click open. Once that my source file is there, target file, this is it, MP4, it has converted. You'll see that MP4 already. This is MKV and target type is MP4. So this convert, the thing you need to know is that the OBS app converts directly to MP4 and not other file type. So here, however, if you have tried using it with other file type, drop comment and let me know. But for now, I think it converts just MKV to MP4. So once this is done, look here, the button where I have remux. So I'll click on remux. It is pretty fast, very fast. You can see that it's finished recording remux. So I'll say okay and then close this dialog box, and that is it. So from this point I can go through my OBX. I go to the file tab, show the file. This is it. Here is the, where's the today? This is today, the one, my MKV video file, and here is my file that has been converted. So right click, you'll see the title also today. Right, so right click, go to properties, and here is type of file, MP4 video. All right, so I do hope you do like this video. I decided to use a different app so you can see that there are several apps you can use to convert your files. I hope you do like this video. Please share, like and subscribe. Drop comments in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in my next video for more tech tips like this. Bye bye.